Hmm. এই অবধি ছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ স্যার এই অবধি এনেছিলেন, এনে একটু বলেছিলেন যে আমরা কি করতে চাই, ওখানের কত স্ট্রেস আসছে, কি ফোর্স আসছে সেটা আমরা দেখতে চাই, আর লোডটা আমরা এই রিমোট পয়েন্টে দিতে চাই, তো মাঝখানের বডিটাকে আমরা নেব না, কনসিডার করবো না। এই অবধি স্যার বুঝেছি।
যা বাবা, তো প্রায় শেষ করে দিয়েছিলাম।
হুম
যাই হোক,
হুম আরেকবার দেখিয়ে দিন না।
now what do you do?
হুম
We will apply a remote load. Okay, the load will come on this phase. So we will
হুম
suppress your features, part of the component from here to here.
হুম
Okay. So go to
ওকে স্যার।
geometry, select this, control, select this, and select this. All these four we will suppress. Go to suppress body. Okay. So
ওকে
our calculation will be on this portion of the model only. Okay, and we are interested to see here how much
ওকে
how it is behaving. Okay,
হুম হুম
and your load we will apply on the remote, the your feature which you have suppress
হুম
your unsuppress the body. So
হুম
let us, we can come, we will apply the load over here. Okay,
হুম
portion at the center of it, at the center of this hole, we will apply the load. Okay,
ওকে
that load will be transferred to your this phase.
হুম
Control, again I suppress it. That load will be transferred on this phase.
হুম ওকে
Now go to static structural, insert remote force. Now you have to satisfy the your requirement of this your this tool. Okay, so go to select this phase, go to apply. That means your load will be applied on this phase. Load will be transferred from the remote to this phase. Okay,
ওকে
now from vector change to component, and your load will be in your y direction. Okay,
হুম
say this is minus 500 Newton I give. 500 Newton. ঠিক আছে? And all are satisfied. And now only one thing, this one. This x coordinate, x coordinate value we have to give. X coordinate I give 838. So at a distance at a distance from this phase to the application of load area, load point
হুম
is
হুম
838. So 838. 838. And these are
ওকে
0. So some minimum value is there. So we can leave it or you can make it 0. Okay. So within tolerance it has come. You can
ওকে
keep it 0 also. Okay.
হুম
After 0 fails. Okay. So
হুম
this is so less a value. Okay. You can say
হুম
keep it. Now this is this. And give a fixed support. Fixed support here. And with control press to give a fixed support over here. Apply. Now this is our model. By two remote forces are there.
maybe
I delete.
okay হ্যাঁ
So this is okay.
হুম
Now insert stress, approval and varnish, insert deformation total. Now solve it. I have not created the mesh. Mesh will automatically create.
Yeah. Sir, the 500 Newton force that you have given, that is on the whole
Remote point.
positions,
On the
on the
remote
remote
point. at the
Yeah.
distance of 838, okay,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
of the front face,
Uh,
on the
uh,
front
from the
face,
from
from
the
this face,
front.
from this face, at a distance of 838, that load is there, okay?
I think, sir, from the back face, no? Because you have selected the face as the back face.
Now, back face I have selected, but
Huh.
it has taken the distance from, sorry, it has taken the distance from the back face at the load
Yeah.
application phase, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
At the load application phase, it has taken 838,
8:30. Yeah. Hmm.
okay?
Hmm.
So this is this. So now you check whether this area is okay or not, okay?
23 MPa. That is okay. Yeah.
So this is the remote force.
So, sir, what is the in case of 200 GPa? It's the maximum for MS Steel. So, how much it is considered as safe? Means,
Now, so as per type of application,
hmm,
okay, you have to give factor of safety. Factor of safety
hmm,
for your those your fatal items, okay. For
hmm,
example, your axle, gari axle of the car.
hmm, hmm,
If the axle breaks,
hmm,
it may give your fatal accident, okay.
hmm.
So in that case, we give factor of safety not less than 10,
Okay, okay.
okay.
Hmm,
For example, for suppose a component is there where if it fails, it will not give that much impact on the driver or passengers, okay, or outsiders who are
hmm,
traveling outside, okay, on the road.
hmm, hmm.
So in that case, factor of safety we give less,
Okay, okay.
okay.
Okay, sir.
It depends on the type of the component. For a
Hmm,
building, a
hmm,
50-story building is there, they will give
hmm,
factor of safety not less than 50.
hmm,
Okay.
hmm.
And if it is a 3-story building, they will give factor of safety as 5 or 10 like maximum.
Okay,
So it
okay.
depends on the your on the structure, okay, on
On
the
the
area of the
structure,
structure.
on the.
So you have to give the factor of safety accordingly.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let us keep up to this.
Okay.
তাই তো?
Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, sir.
মানে অনেকখানি হয়ে গেছে। So you go all through this, then again we will check.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, sir. Sir,
Are you free on Monday evening?
Monday evening? Mm, no, sir. Monday evening.
At
Uh,
6.
6. No, no, sir. Night. I usually come to home at 8 and 8:30. So,
Uh, well, another student is there, so I could just uh,
no, sir.
I wanted to
I
merge you two, okay?
Yeah, yeah, but sir, it will be difficult for me at 6 because for that I have to leave office at 4 or 4:30. That is not possible, sir.
Can you sit today evening?
Today evening, today evening,
If the other guy other guy accepts, okay,
uh,
then I will talk to him instead of
uh,
morning.
from who-
Instead of morning, Monday, if he can sit today evening, then I will call you. Otherwise, not okay.
okay, sir, but when? My student evening
Six,
when?
six, six.
6. No, sir, sir, let me just means I have to exercise those portion also before. Otherwise, I it will be
If you
difficult
have
for me.
problem, then leave it. Okay. If you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
problem, then you tell me. I will call you. If he agrees to come today at 6 p.m.
আহ, স্যার আমি বাংলায় বলছি, ঠিক আছে স্যার? বলছি যে আজকে সকাল বিকালে হলে না ভালো হয়।
এক মিনিট দাঁড়াও এবার এটা বন্ধ করে দিই। Stop.